Okay, grade 7 high. We need to do page 161 as homework for this week. Okay, so I am sending you practice on that page, but on Classera I am sending you another task that is similar to this one. So, question number 1, explain how the percent equation relates proportional quantities. Okay, here we just write some words, okay, like the rule that percent, here is R, okay, is a constant of proportionality. That relates a part to a whole. Remember our magic formula that we learn by heart, that part over whole equals percent over 100. Okay, this is our magic formula, and using that formula we can find any part that we need. Okay, now let us go to the tasks. Task number 2. We have guy that called Colin, okay, and he buys a movie for $20 and pays 7% tax. Then we have another guy, Brad, who buys the same movie for $22 and pays 6% tax. The question is, first of all, who pays more tax? Who? Okay? And the second question is, how much more? So first of all, we need to find it out. Okay, let's talk about Colin, okay? So I was teaching you, if you see percent of a number, what do? You multiply percent by number, divide by 100, okay? It's going to be $1.4. So Colin paid a tax 1.4. Now we do the same with Brad. He has 6% by $22 divided by 100. It's going to be 1.32. You may check me. Dollars, okay? So from this you can see that Colin paid more tax. So we are answering the first question that Colin paid. Oh, sorry, what I'm doing? I'm writing wrong. Paid. Okay. Okay, Colin paid more tax. Okay, and how much more? How much more or how many more? You do minus. So 1.4 minus 1.32 is going to be 0.08. Okay, so more by this sum. Okay, that's it. That's it with number 2. Let's go to number 3. Again, we have two guys, Kamesh and Paolo. Both of them read 40 books. Okay. Kamesh read 12 non-fiction out of those 40. Okay. Paolo read 35%. Okay. And the question is, who read more non-fiction books? And again, how many more? So about Kamesh, we know that he read 12. To compare who read more and how many more, we need to find out how many books that Paolo read, okay? And now you understand, you make a proportion that you understand that 40 books, it was 100%, okay? So what number of books is going to be 35%? Okay, and make a proportion. Again, I was teaching you what number goes across with x, it goes down, okay? And 40 by 35 you multiply, and when you do all the stuff, you will get number 14. So actually what we were looking for in this task. 40 is the whole part. Okay. We were looking actually for the part. So 14 books. We got that number. Okay, here you can see that I wrote the equation, that formula upside down. Whole over part, 100 over 35. I just turned that upside down. But it doesn't match, okay? Actually, it doesn't match. So don't worry about this, that I did like this. You need to remember the formula. Okay, like it is. So, now we have Kamish 12 books, Paolo 14 books, okay? So who read more? Paolo read more, okay? We need to write this, that Paolo read more. Paolo read more. And how many more? 14 minus 12? 2 more books. Okay, if you have any questions about this, just don't hesitate to ask me, okay? Next. One guy buys a computer for that sum, and if this is 115%, so we can write at once that this sum is going to be 115% of what the store paid for the same computer. How much did the store earn on the sale? So what was the price 100%? What was the first price? We need to find out, and then to see how much the store earned, the shop, okay? So again, to find x, number that goes across goes down. These numbers we are multiplying. Okay, and when you do all that stuff, you get $800. That means that that computer cost was 800, okay? But now they sold it for 920. So what is the difference? 920 minus 800 is going to be $120. This is what the store earned on the sale. The store earned on the sale. Okay, now I do like this, so you just may stop the video and write all that stuff. Okay, number 5 is easy peasy, because you need to, for each situation, select the percent. Okay, percent is part of a whole. So here percent, part of a whole, 14 over 56. And multiply by 100, you will get this answer, okay? When you may check me. Here 3.5 over 70, multiply by 100, you will get 5%. Okay, here you are dividing 50 over 250, don't divide 250 by 50, but vice versa, 50 by 250, okay? Here you need to do like this, 50 divided by like this, okay? And you will get that this is 20%. Here the same, 9 divided by 60. And multiply by 100, you will get that this is here, okay? So this is easy. Okay? And the last task is explain how can you use proportional reasoning to determine the whole if you know that 21 is 60% of the whole. So again, 21 is 60%, okay? What is the whole? The whole is 100%. And again, you use that formula. Here actually you need to explain, but I don't want you to write me the whole rule. You can say that to find the whole, we multiply part with 100% and divide by percent, okay? But for me, just write the formula. So what goes down? 60 goes down, 2100 goes up. You multiply. Why 2100? Because 21 multiplied by 100. Okay, and it's going to be, I don't know what it's going to be. So calculate by yourself, okay? I don't remember. Okay, let me do like this. I can solve like this. This is, by the way, how we are dividing in my country, okay? Not like you are dividing. So 3 times 6 is going to be 18, and here we have 3, 30, so 5. Yeah, it's going to be 35, okay. So the whole part is going to be 35. Okay? That's it. So you do this, and then you solve online task, online homework.